I know you've seen luxury, but I bet say you haven't seen the pinnacle of it. Welcome to Bolton Height. I know there is standard, but Bolton Height is here to raise the bar. This is the premium development in the heart of Lekki Phase 1, one of Lagos' most prestigious locations. If you are an investor looking for a residential investment for short-let, yearly rental, or a place that speaks about the kind of lifestyle you want for yourself, then this is for you. Bolton Height is a unique collection of exquisitely designed 2-bedroom apartments in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. This is Lekki Foreshore. This is a freedom way, and I tell you, this is exactly what you want to be. This is an off-land project which we started very late last year. In fact, it's not like we started, but we brought it out to the market that investors can actually key into it at a prolonged price. And lucky you, we are still selling this at a prolonged price, but you might not be lucky for so long because the price is actually going up very soon, and we have limited units available. But today I'm here to show you the update of what we've been able to do so far from last year December till the time we have right now. So this is the update of what we have been doing. This is the update of what's going on at Bolton Height. So for investors out there looking for investment for high yield returns, this is for you. This is luxury, this is comfort, this is stylish, and this is in a very good location, a fantastic location in Lekki Phase 1, and the entry price is fantastic. So if you look at our reinforcements, let me take you there so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, look at this for the column. So this is it. This is TMT reinforcements, and you can look at the size. This is Y25. This column, we are going on 4 floors, but this same size can take 7 floors to 8 floors of apartments, like on a block. But we are using this for 4 floors. Yes, just 4 floors, to tell you that the integrity of what you are buying is top notch. And right here, we don't compromise on quality. Yes, we are not compromising, and we have what we call check and balance. We have our consultants, our personnel that come at every milestone to check what we are doing before we cast. So there's nothing like we are trying to compromise on quality or reducing the standard. Everything is done the proper way, and I will tell you, this is even raising the standard. If you check some other developments around, you won't see this kind of, like for the same type of building structure that we are building here, which is 4 floors of apartments, you won't see this side. You will see reinforcement that are no smaller in size, and even the numbers that we are using per column, many of it is not. I have seen a lot of it, but I'm telling you that Bolton Height is different. This is luxury, and this is sustainable. This is an apartment that will remain 50 years, 70 years. It is still standing strong. Imagine in the next 10 years you decide to add more floors. You can imagine it will still carry it. It will withstand it. And even if you are not adding any floor, it shows that nothing can shake this. Even if maybe probably there are some things might affect any other building around here, this one will stand firm. That's what differentiates Bolton Height from any other project that you might be keen into around this place. And what we have here is 2-bedroom apartments, good for investment and residential purpose. So if you know you are looking for an apartment to buy for rental income in one of Nigeria's most prestigious locations, which is Lekki Phase 1, you know what I'm talking about. This is where 1% of the 1%, this is most likely where they want to be. Our people want to just be in the midst of serenity, in an environment with very good ambience. This is exactly what they are looking for. So you as an investor, you can position yourself now, key into this project off plan. By the time you are done in the next 12 months, you can decide to resell it, or you put it out for rent. You can imagine getting this unit now for 230 million naira. By the time we are done, this is already worth about 400 million naira. We have 2-bedroom apartments in this same location going as high as 250 to 270 million naira current, even 300 million currently selling in this same location. But you can get this for 230 million naira. This is superb, and it has even given you edge against inflation. So buying this now gives you the opportunity to buy below the market value, and by the time we are done, you can put it out for yearly rent, you can use it for short let, and you can decide to even buy and flip. Yes, you flip it at the end of, by the time we are done with the project. And Bolton Height is not just any project. Like I said, this is luxury. Our units, all rooms are en suite, very spacious. Here we are having swimming pool, we are having gym. They're also going to have green area, smart home features. That's exactly what we are giving you here. This is inside the nest in Lekki Foreshore, and I tell you, this is the ambience. There's a sea view, everything. It's just speaks luxury. You're going to drive into this island. This is called the Orange Island. You're going to drive into this place, you will know what I'm talking about. All the road network are superb. Yes, paved road everywhere, interlocked, and even the houses around there, you know that this is a kind of neighborhood. This is a kind of place where you want to be, where you want to own an investment, and I can assure you that you'll be getting a high return on investment over a short period of time. This has a fantastic title, C of O. No government acquisition, no government equivalencies, no omonile wahala. You can do your due diligence, yes, and verify everything that I'm saying. But while you are doing that, you need to make a commitment on time so that you can still partake of this pre-launch price. The pre-launch price is fast, it's overdue. We have started selling, and before you know it, we are going to increase the price. In fact, by the time we move to the second floor now, I know that this will be selling for almost 300 million naira. You know you don't want to buy at that price. So yes, as a smart investor, you should key into this right away. And we also have a flexible payment plan for you. You don't need to bring 230 million naira all at once. You can spread your payment for 3 months, which is outright payment. If you want to spread your payment for 6 months, you'll be paying 20 million naira interest. If you are spreading for 12 months, you'll be paying another extra 20 million naira. What I'm saying is this: to key into Bolton Height, you can make a down payment of 20 million naira. If you are spreading your payments within 3 months, you'll be getting this for 230 million naira. If you are spreading it up to 6 months, you'll be paying 250 million naira. Then if you are spreading up to 12 months, you'll be paying 270 million naira. So by the time we are done with this project, the value of this property is going to be worth even more than that 270 million. By that time, it's probably 300 to 350 million naira. And that's, as a smart investor, the best time to come into this project is right now. Flexible payment plan, and this is fantastic. This is a juicy offer for anyone looking for a real estate investment with high yield and high return. So this is a good one. This is luxury at its peak. I told you, this is the pinnacle of luxury, and this is in Lekki Phase. So I don't want you to sleep on this offer. All we have here is a collection of 2-bedroom apartments, which is limited already. We have just few units still selling. A lot of people have keyed into this, and you don't want to be left out. If you watch this video now and you procrastinate it, before you know it, we'll tell you that it is already sold out, and I know you don't want to hear that. So this is a good one. And this apartment is coming with a lift. Yes, you don't need to stress yourself. Whether you're on the 3rd floor, you're on the 4th floor, 2nd floor, yes, with a lift you can easily get to your apartment, which makes this very, very stress-free. And we have our facility management to manage everything. So if you want to run a shortlet, they have given you 247 security, 247 power supply. You're also going to enjoy CCTV surveillance camera, uniform security. We are having a game room for table tennis, snooker. Talk about it. This is a fantastic and awesome investment, awesome residential project for anyone looking for, you just want to have a private stay. This is a good one. You're in diaspora. Whenever you come to Nigeria, you always stay in a hotel or you get a shortlet apartment. Buy into this project. I know you don't want to stay in just anywhere. You want to stay in somewhere that speaks about your personality. And I tell you, Bolton Height is the pinnacle of it. You just need to key into this for 230 million naira. And the good thing about this is that you are just about 5 minutes away from any essential infrastructure you might need: social amenities, entertainment hubs, eatery, restaurants, hotels. Talk about wherever you want to be on the island. This is a good one. If you are going to the mainland or going to Ikeja, you can find your way easily from this place. This is very, very accessible, and I tell you, this is surrounded by major infrastructure that will add value to your investments. You all know how this is. This is Lekki Phase 1, and this is one of the fastest developing area in the Lekki Phase right now. This is just where you want to start from. If you know you've invested in a lot of projects before, you bought, I'm telling you, you still need to key into this one. This is where your investment continues. Or if you are a first-term real estate investor, this is where your investment should begin from. So call the number shown on your screen to be a part of this investment, to be a part of this project. This is Bolton Height. This is in the next Lekki Foreshore, Lekki Phase 1. This is just all freedom way. All you need to do is to call the number to book an inspection now. We offer both physical and virtual inspection. So for those that are not in Nigeria, you can ask for a virtual inspection. We'll bring you here virtually. And if you have someone that can represent you, you can also send them over to check this out. So this is a fantastic investment project, and I tell you, this will be completed in no time. Our delivery timeline is 12 months, and you can see where we are now. In the next 9 months, the carcass of this project will be fully ready. Then within 3 months, we are going to do all the finishing. So this is a good time to key into this. By that time, the investment would have been worth almost 50% in return at that time in terms of value. So imagine getting this for 230, and by the time we are done, it's going for 300 or 350 million naira. That is a worthwhile investment, and that's the reason why you just need to key into this right away. We are a company that we've done a lot of projects, talking about Lekki Pride 1, Lekki Pride 2, Zelos Court Phase 1, Zelos Court Phase 2, which is still ongoing. Yes, in terms of building construction, we have been there. And if you know Lekki Havana, yes, the popular Lekki Havana Phase 1 and Phase 2. You know, we don't play with we are committed and we are diligent in everything that we are doing. This is a company you can trust with whatever we do. If you know us very well, you know that this is what we know how to do best. Yes, check our projects. We have estates that we have developed which are fully occupied with occupants today, and that's exactly what we are doing. And bringing up this project, Bolton Height, is to take it even a notch higher, to raise the bar of luxury, and that's where you come in as an investor. So you just need to be part of this. Call the number shown on your screen to get started right now. My name remains Ayomide, your dignified realtor from Salesville Properties, and we are coming across our channel for the first time. Do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us across all social media handles at Salesville Properties. You don't want to miss out on any of our videos that we upload on this channel. Yes, it will be of great benefit to you. And also remember to share this with your friends and family. Probably you are not the one interested in this, but you know someone that is looking for a luxury investment like this in Lekki Phase 1, where they can enjoy a flexible payment plan up to 12 months. This is it. Share this video to them. Like, comment, just share. Don't be stingy with information. Yes, don't be a gatekeeper. We don't gatekeep here, and I know you don't do that also. So call the number showing on your screen to be a part of Bolton Height. This is the pinnacle of luxury. This is what you have been waiting for. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Until I come your way again. Bye.